Welcome back to another edition of 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host, Chad de Blasio. This is our third edition. Today we're going to do a quick gear review on the Generay Escort Daylight LED interview light. Now, this came in a 3-light kit for the one I have. It comes with this nice case. It actually comes with light stands, 3 lights, batteries, chargers, and the whole 9. These lights are LED, battery powered, and they also have the ability to be DC powered. They do come with all the plugs and accessories that you need to do either of those. It comes with 2 different mounting options. One is you can use this handle, which you can see I'm holding today, or you can put the light stand attachment on. They can just a simple click in one to the other. If you want to take it off the light stand and hold it, pop it in, hand it off, and you got a transportable light stand. Now, the battery powered LED is extremely useful for on-location stuff. You don't have to have a plug-in source. You can be out in the middle of the woods and you've got a dimmable touchscreen LED power that is not going to color shift or flicker from 10% power all the way up to 100% power. So we've got, this is 10% power. You can see the individual lights. I'm just going to dim it up or lighten it up so you guys can see the power of it. It goes up to the equivalent of a 300 to 400 watt incandescent. So if you know anything about lights, you put the lights in your house, a kind of bright one is 60 or 100 watt. These go to 300 to 400 watts each. And one of the probably coolest features about this is when you're doing video and you've got constant light, is you've got different light source colors. This can actually color shift from 3200 Kelvin, which is that what people consider to be like a nice warm orangey light. We can go all the way up to 5600 Kelvin, which is a nice bright white, or kind of somewhere in between, which is where we are with our light up here today. Color shifting is one of those things that in post saves you from having to color grade things, but just for amateur kind of stuff, it just makes the light look nice. So you can see even in this room, we've got a bright daylight and we've got a warmer incandescent light. We get a shift between the two. I can balance that out with these lights without having any accessories or color gels, even though this does come with the diffusion panel, which you can see slides right in here. So you can make it nice and soft light. But I wanted to quickly just show you these. They're an incredible deal, $7.25 through B&H. I'll put the link in the description. But that's your 2-Minute Tuesday tip, gear review on the Generay Escort Daylight LED. As always, subscribe, thumbs up, shoot me a message, let me know how it's going. Have a good one.